All right, back on the 68, everybody. Real simple little upgrade I'm doing, which are the front turn signal bulbs. So on this car, the front turn signals are these really cool little lights down here. I'm going to turn them on, let them flash so you can see. So there's one on either side, obviously. One over here. So I'm not 100% sure, but I'm about 99% sure that the way it works is for your turn signals, they're supposed to be yellow. So either you have a yellow lens or amber or whatever they want to call it, yellow lens with a clear bulb, or you have a clear lens with an amber bulb. So the setup that this car has or had was a clear lens with a clear bulb. So let me show you the difference here. So what I did was I went and I bought LED bulbs, amber LED bulbs for these front turn signals. And the bulb itself, I replaced this side right here. So the bulb itself, let's see if it'll focus on that, is this bulb. I don't know if it's quite focusing on that, but anyhow, this bulb number is 1157. So I think that's it right there. If it'll focus on that, let's see. The light's not good either, but anyhow, you have to trust me on this. It's 1157 bulb. It's got two little deals on the bottom, and then on the side it's got these little tabs that stick out. And so what you do is you push it in and you twist it and it locks it in place. So I took this bulb out of that spot there and I put a amber LED on there. So this side here is still original. So I'm going to show you guys now what the original clear bulb and lens look like, and then I'll switch over to this amber LED one so you can see the difference. I like these little things. It's kind of silly. Some people, I don't know if they would kind of dig the whole LED bulb thing on a classic car, but I don't really care. This is my car and I'm gonna do whatever I want to it. So I kind of like this LED bulb look on a classic car. So all you have to do is put the key in and put it on the accessory slot right there. Kick it back. So like I said, I'm going to do the right turn signal, which is oh yeah, and remember I changed all these dash bulbs out to LED bulbs. So I don't know if you can tell how bright that is, but trust me, 10 times brighter than what it used to look like. So here we go. Let's take a look at my right turn signal. So flashing away there, clear lens, clear bulb. That's what it had working on it. Now I'm going to switch it to the left turn signal. And we'll see what this bulb looks like. So there's your amber LED with a clear lens. I like it. It's not that big of a deal, but I like it. I saw a mod recently where a guy took this part of the car and he had 3 clear stripes right here. And when the turn signals come on, it would go dink, dink, dink in amber like that too. And I didn't really like it. That took away a little bit too much of the classic look, but there you go. It's kind of slow though, that left turn signal. Seemed like the right was a little quicker. Let me check that out again. Yeah, you can just see how slow it's. Now it's not even going. Yeah, kind of slow. I don't know, maybe it's not happy now or something. Oh well. Maybe this won't work right. We'll see. Hello.
That's the beauty you got there.
1968.
It's pretty alright.
Yeah. Neighbors like my car. So, all right, well, I'll have to play with this a little bit more. It sort of looked like the LEDs were slowing down the flasher or something like that. I don't know. I did like the brightness and the color of it, but you know, they got to work. So I'm gonna play with this a little bit more and make sure they're operating correctly. I might have to get a new flasher unit or something like that. All right, but fun little video. I thought you guys might want to check that out. So I'll talk to everyone later. As usual, have a great day and be good to everyone. And I'll be making some videos soon. So have a great day. Later, everyone.